Hello everybody, you all are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Vittal, and in this video we discuss about the topic that what is electromagnetic effect. Electromagnetic effect is very important in organic chemistry, and it is useful to explain different facts in organic chemistry. So in this video we learn about that what is electromagnetic effect, what are the applications of electromagnetic effect. So watch this video till the end. I discuss each and every points about electromagnetic effect, and we start our discussions. Before starting these discussions, I would like to say you that if you do not subscribe this channel, or if you are new to this channel, then subscribe this channel and hit the notification button to get the video upload notification. Okay, so let's start our discussion. Discussion is about electromagnetic effect, and electromagnetic effect is a very important kind of effect in organic chemistry, and it is used to find out the addition reaction, the direction of addition reaction, etc. So let's start our discussion. Electromagnetic effect, it is a temporary effect. Suppose in case of the addition of reagent Cn minus, it is a nucleophile. Cn minus is a nucleophile, and when Cn minus is added to the carbonyl compound, what happens? Because of the addition of the Cn minus, the carbon side is partially getting plus charge and oxygen side is partially getting a negative charge, and as a result this one you will become as O minus and Nu. Nu, it is a carb arrow and showing it that the electron pair is totally shifted to the oxygen, and this nucleophile is attacking here to the carbon center. So nucleophile, in presence of a nucleophile, electromagnetic effect is observed, and electromagnetic effect is a temporary effect. It is a temporary effect, only observed or only shown, it is only shown in presence of attacking reagent. Here attacking reagent is important because in presence of an attacking reagent this effect is only observed. Here the Cn minus is an attacking reagent, and in presence of attacking reagent the CO group, in CO group one end is becoming plus charge and another end becoming minus charge, and complete charge separation is occurred here, and not a partial, it is a complete charge separation. Here a complete charge separation is occurring between the in the reagent, in addition of reagent to the reactant, complete charge separation occur. So that means we can write it as that in this end it is becoming plus and in this end it is becoming minus, and this type of charge separation is only be shown in presence of attacking reagents like a nucleophile, and this one is happen. So electromagnetic effect is a temporary displacement, it is a not, yes, it is a temporary effect. It is shown only in presence of an attacking reagent. When an attacking reagent is present, that time the molecule the multiple bond present in a molecule is displaced towards the more electronegative atom. Here it is shown only in molecule that have multiple bond. molecules that have multiple bond. Here for this effect, inductive effect, electromagnetic effect, the multiple bond is necessary for this type of effect. In a molecule, multiple bond is must required multiple bond, because it is shown only in case of the multiple bond present in molecule. So for this reason, here multiple bonding is important condition. Another important thing about this electromagnetic effect is that here the electron leaves molecular orbital. Okay, in electromagnetic effect, electron is shifting of electron takes place, and electron also leave the molecular orbitals. Okay, this is very important point in case of electromagnetic effect. Electromagnetic effect, in case of electromagnetic effect, the electrons leave the molecular orbital. We take another example of electromagnetic effect. Suppose H plus, in presence of H plus in alkene, what happens? The alkene is one end plus, another end becomes automatically minus, and in presence of H plus it is giving us this one. So here this is an attacking reagent. In presence of attacking reagent, what happens? This electron pair, means this bond pair of electron is completely separated, means complete charge separation occur. One end become plus, other end become minus in presence of the attacking reagent H plus. The one end is becoming plus, another end is becoming minus, and the minus end, the attacking reagent, is forming bond with the minus end. So this is an example, another example of electromagnetic effect. Like inductive effect, electromagnetic effect is also divided into plus E. Like inductive effect, it is divided into plus E and minus E. Okay, plus E inductive effect. For example, suppose we take CH3, C double bond, CH2. In this case, the CH3 group is operating plus I effect, and due to this plus I effect, here plus I effect is also important for determining the electromagnetic effect direction. Here due to plus I effect operating group, it is called plus E. Electron donating electromagnetic effect is operating here. And in case of minus E, suppose this one, here the so due to this thing, look at here, due to the electron donating inductive effect, it is donating the electron pair here, and this electron pair, pi bond, double bond, is shifted towards the carbon, and carbon end is showing minus charge and this end minus, this end becoming plus. So here it is called plus E effect, because here plus I effect is operating this electromagnetic effect, and electron is shifted to the CH2 part. It is the plus E inductive plus E electromagnetic effect, and for this case the electron pair is shifted to the middle carbon atom part. Okay, middle carbon atom means CH due to the attraction of or in electron withdrawing attraction by electron withdrawing power of Cl group, the electron pair will move towards the CH group, and for this reason it is showing minus E effect. Here inductive effect is also important point, minus I. Inductive effect is also important point to determine the electromagnetic effect. Here it is minus E operating effect is present due to the presence of chlorine group here. Okay, chlorine group attracts the electron pair. So as a result, in this case, in this carbon atom, or you can mark this carbon atom as 1 2 1 carbon, the electron pair is shifted towards the 1 number carbon, and if we mark here as 1 2 3, electron pair is shifted here in the 1 number of carbon atom. Okay, due to the effect of this donating group, CH3 group. So these are the examples of the inductive effect. Inductive effect is very important to find the position of addition reaction. The position of addition of nucleophile and electrophile can easily be determined using the electromagnetic effect, and it is used to explain the different facts in organic chemistry. So this is about the electromagnetic effect, and if we make summary about the electromagnetic effect is a temporary effect. It is observed only in presence of an attacking reagent. In absence of attacking reagent, it does not shown, and it is a complete charge separation, means completely charge separation takes place. It is possible only where the pi bond is present. For multiple bond in a molecule, this effect is shown, and this effect, the electrons is leaving the orbital. Electrons leaving the molecular orbital for this kind of effect, and you can say in this effect a complete charge separation occurs, plus charge and minus charge, and inductive effect plays a vital role to determine the plus E and minus E effect. So this is about the electromagnetic effect, and I think you understand this topic well. And if you have any question regarding this electromagnetic effect discussions or suggestions, then you can write in the comment section about your opinion or your question. And thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video is useful to you, then like this video and subscribe this channel.